And our last little group of the day. I am frozen solid. I am wet. But everybody will at least happily be exercised. Maggie, you don't even show up. Have to get you dirty or you're too late. Come on, Mama Cal. Oh, I'm fogging up. What do you think, Maggie? All my original girls. These three were three of my very first clients. I have to remind Maggie of that. She lives in Ontario now. And only sees me once a year, don't you, Maggie? Come on, Cal. But I've watched Callie and Molly grow old. And watch Maggie grow up. Come on, Molly. Come on over here on the trail, you silly girl. Now Cal's pretty much completely blind. Molly's completely deaf. And Maggie just pretends to be. Not too many of my original crew left, sadly. They do tend to move away and grow old. Well, I better use my other hand before I get an awful tangle of leashes here. That's it. Walk these guys, and then I get to go get warm by the fire.